So now we will be starting off with your next illustration problems of your third chapter, that is employee cost. Now to begin with, you have your illustration 1, which says a workman's wage for guaranteed 44 hours week is rupees 10 per hour. The estimated time to produce an article is 30 minutes, and under the incentive scheme the time allowed is increased by 20% during a week. A workman produces 100 articles. Calculate his wages under Halsey system. Okay, so under this particular system you have to know what are the various formulas that are used to calculate your bonus. Under your Halsey system, you need to know what is how to calculate bonus, earnings. These are the different formulas that you are going to use based on the kind of information that is given to you in the particular question. Now based on your illustration 1, this is the necessary amount of information that is given to you, and they've also asked you to calculate under this particular system. Now in order to calculate this particular solution, firstly you will see what is the standard time. Okay, your standard time is given to you. Now you will not be able to see the question also properly, so you will see what is the standard time to produce one article. Firstly you will take down what is the standard time, take down the necessary information. Okay, to produce standard time to produce one article, okay, which is given in the question as 30 minutes. Okay, next check whether there is an increase. It is saying that it is increased by 6 minutes, right? It is telling that the time allowed is increased by 20%. Now as the time is allowed increased by 20%, when you are calculating 20%, so when you're calculating 20%, it is increasing by 20% of what? 20% of this time. So 30 into 20% will give you 6 minutes. Okay, so what is the total? Total is 36 minutes. Next you need to calculate for 100 articles. Okay, next you need to calculate what is the standard time for 100 articles. Now the total standard ST for 100 articles is nothing but the total, that is 36 into 100 articles, that is 3600 minutes. Okay, now what is the next is the standard time for 60 hours. Now you can calculate this, you can convert this minutes into hours also, that is 60 hours. Now next you have to calculate for 60 hours, the same calculation for 60 hours and for 44 hours, which is given to you in the question, that is a workman's wages for guaranteed. Okay, a workman's wages for guaranteed 44 hours a week. So we got 60 hours. Now we have to calculate the time taken for 44 hours. Now for 44 hours, what is the formula you will use? Now you will use wages under Halsey plan. Take down the formula, that is T into R plus open bracket S plus S minus T divided by 2 into R. Okay, next is what is the time taken? It is 44 into what is R. R is given to you in the question, that is 10 per hour, that is rate, that is 10 per hour, plus you will have open brackets 60. What is the ST which is given? S is 60 minus what is T? 44 divided by 2 into 10. Now substitute this formula and find out the answer. 44 into 10, that is 440, plus 44 divided by 2 into 10 minus 60, that is 60 minus 44 divided by 2 into 10. Okay, that is 80. Go from towards your right, then you will get 440 plus 80, that is 520 is your total under your Halsey scheme. Okay, this is the rate you had to calculate for the particular wages under Halsey scheme. Okay, so this is how you arrive at your final answer. Now moving on to your next illustration, it says in a factory the standard time to complete a job is 60 hours by normal worker. The time rate is 10 per hour. Again, the time rate is given to you. The workers C and D complete their work in 50 hours and 65 hours respectively. What is their remuneration under Halsley Premium Plan? Okay, what is the remuneration under Halsley Premium Plan? Now, in order to calculate this, check as to how they have given the information to you all. Now take down the necessary information which is given to you. Okay, they have told there are workers C and D, right? So who are the workers? This is your next illustration. Take down who are the workers. Okay, how many workers are there? Your first column will be for your worker. Your worker is nothing but C and D. There are two workers. Now take down what is the standard time. Your standard time is for C it is 60 hours. For D also it is 60 hours. Next, what is the time taken? Okay, for C it is 50 hours, for D it is 65 hours. Next, you will see what is the time saved. Okay, who saved time? 10 hours is saved by C, and there is no information regarding D which is given to you. After you've taken down this particular table, take down under Halsley plan. Now start calculating the solution. You have to take as earnings is equal to time wages plus bonus is equal to TT into TR, that is time taken into time, plus what is the rate which is given to you? It is 50 divided by 100. Okay, 50 divided by 100 into TS into TR. Now you have to substitute this in the formula. 50 hours into 10 plus 50 divided by 100. It is already given in the question. 50 divided by 100. Next, you have to substitute into 10. Into 10 will give you 50 into 10 is 500 plus 50 divided by 100 into 10 into 10 is 100, which will give you 550 as your total. Now you have to, this was for worker C, you calculated. Now you have to calculate for worker D. Worker D, for worker D, what you have to do is basically you have to see what is the number of hours which is given to you. Now based on the number of hours you've calculated, you have to see who takes more standard time to complete the job, and only that particular person will earn the necessary wages. Okay, now for worker D, it is 50 hours. Okay, it is 50 hours. Check for the information in the particular question. You have to see in the question, it is 50 hours into 10, which is he's taken 100. 50 hours into 10, that is 500. Now the note you have to give here is, you have to mention a particular note, that is you need to say worker, there is a worker who takes more time than the standard time to complete his job will earn wages only for the standard time. This is a necessary note you have to give based on the comparison of both the workers. Okay, moving on to your next illustration, you have the normal hour rate is ₹5 per hour for a job in 8 hours and the time taken is 6 hours. Find out the earning under Halsley method. Now under the Halsley method, for earning, that is nothing but it is your Weir method. Okay, that is the same formula which you have to use. Now all of these rates, everything will be given to you under particular information that is under, this is the necessary formula that you will have to by heart. Now you also notice that we took 50 hours and all of this, right? It is already the formula. You have to by heart the formula. You have to know what is the percentage under Halsley Weir plan. See, it is 30% of the time saved. Now you have to take 30%. You have to substitute 30% here. But here, if you notice, 30% is not given to you in the question anywhere. But this is according to the formula that you will have to substitute. So you will have to know each and every formula. What is it for premium? What is it for earning? What is it for bonus? Okay, for different things you have different formula, wherein you need to know what are the full forms of T, R, TS, everything. Only then you will be able to solve this particular solution. Now under earning a view method, it is nothing but use the necessary formula which is given to you here. After the necessary formula, you will have to substitute the necessary information. What is the time taken, what is the time rate, into plus 30% already given in the formula, and based on that you have to substitute your TS and TR and find out the solution to the particular illustration. Now again, your next one, in your illustration 4, it says in a factory the normal working hours per day is 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours is the normal working hour in the factory. The standard output per day is 60 hours. The wages per day is ₹30. Worker X manufactures certain output on a particular day. The output produces 55 hours per day. Complete the earnings of Mr. X under Roman system. Okay, now under Roman system we worked until now under Halsey system. Now under your Roman system, again your formulas differ for bonus and for earnings. Okay, your formulas differ, so keep in mind and check for the information as per which system they are asking you to calculate. Based on that, what is the information that is given and what are they asking you to calculate under that particular system. Now under your Roman system, check for what is the information which is given to you and what is the necessary formula that you will have to substitute. Now the formula for Roman system is TS divided by ST into TS into TR. Okay, now for earnings it is TT into TR, close the brackets, plus TS divided by ST into TS into TR. Now what is the necessary standard output which is given to you? Check for the necessary information. The standard output is 60 hours. Take down whatever information which is given to you in the question. 60 hours is the standard output which is given to you. What is the time rate which is given to you? Okay, the wages per day, that is the rate, at which the wages are given to you, that is 30. What is the actual output? Actual output is also given to you in the particular question. The output produces 55. Now after all of these, you have to see what is the time saved also. The time saved, check if the time saved is also given. It is given as 60 hours. Okay, it is given as 60. Now all the information that that has been given in the necessary question, you will have to substitute in order to find out the particular formula for it. Okay, now similarly you will substitute and you will get the answer to it. Okay, you just have to use this necessary formula. You have to take whatever information is given to you and simply just substitute each and every information as it is given to you in the question. Just put down the question and what is being asked to calculate, that is earnings, is being asked to calculate. So obviously you will use this particular earnings formula to substitute, right? Use the earning formula, substitute all the numbers and find out the solution to this particular formula. Now next is your illustration 5. Illustration 5 says that calculate wages due to a worker under Halsey plan and Roman plan from the following details. It is just asking you to calculate the wages. It is not asking you for any other information, just the normal thing, that is wages. Okay, you have been given the necessary information and also calculate the total cost. Okay, now when you have to calculate the total cost, always remember it is just a combination of both. Okay, you will have to show the working of both the things. What are the necessary? Now, in order to calculate your total cost, I think you've already known by now how to prepare a cost sheet and what are the necessary information that you include to calculate your total cost. You have to include your materials, you have to include your wages, your overheads. Okay, these three combine to form your total cost, that is your prime cost. Okay, total cost you will find out by using only these three things for both the methods. Now we will look at the working of this particular solution of this particular problem. Okay, to begin with illustration 5, you will have to differentiate between the two, that is under Halsey plan and under Romance plan. Now under Halsey plan, what is the formula for wages? It is T into R plus open brackets S minus T divided by 2 into R. Okay, now what is the formula for wages under Roman? See, we'll just put it as wages. Okay, what is the formula for wages? Wages is T into R plus T into R plus S minus T divided by S. Now for all of these you will have to know what are the full forms also in order to begin with your calculation. Now what is the information for what is the information which has been given? What is a T according to all of this? You will have to take down the necessary information and substitute in the solution. Now what is the information which is given? For T it is 6 into R is 0.75 plus S is 9 minus T is 6 divided by 2 into 0.75. Everything is directly given to you in the question. You just have to substitute in the formula. Similarly now you will have to substitute this particular formula. Now in order to substitute, it is 6 into 0.75, that is 4.5. okay, that is 9 minus 6 divided by 2 is 1.5 plus 1.5 into 0.75 is 1.125. So 4.5 plus 1.125 is 5.625. 5.625. Now similarly you will have to use the necessary information and substitute under Roman plan also. Okay, Roman plan also. Now what is t? T, as we all saw, it is given to you in the question, that is 6. okay, that is 6 into r is 0.75 plus again t is 6 into 0.75, open brackets, s is 9 which is given in the question, minus 6, that is t, divided by s, again it is 9. Now substitute this again, it is 6 into 0.75 which will give you 4.5. Then again 6 into 0.75, 6 into 0.75, that will again give you plus 4.5. Then 9 minus 6 divided by 9 will give you 0.333. okay, so 4.5, this has to be multiplied with this into 4.5 will give you 1.49. okay, so 1.4999 plus 4.5 will give you 5.9. okay, this will be your final answers for both the problem thing. Now again in this particular question they're asking you to calculate total cost. Now nothing doing, total cost is just very simple under both the methods. Total cost, take down what is the particulars column under Halsley plan and under Roman plan. okay, now what is the materials? First you will take materials to calculate your total cost. Material is given to you under H, that is 4, and under Roman also it is 4. okay, next is your overhead. Overhead which is given to you is telling it is 150% of direct labor or wages. okay, 150% of wages. okay, 150% of wages is, now you will have to see what is the wages. Wages we calculated already for Halsley, it is 5.625. okay, so you will take your wages next. Wages which we calculated 5.625 and 5.985. okay, next is your overheads. Overheads is 150% of wages. 150% of wages, 150% of this and this. So 150% of wages, that is 5.625 into 150% is, see I forgot to show you the working, 5.625 into 150% is 8.4375. 8.4375. instead of that 8.44 only we can round it off and take, or you can take 8.4375 only. This is a choice. Or okay, the next 5.985 into 150, is it 150? yes, 150% is 8.9775. okay, 8.9775. now take the total of both, that is 4 plus 5.985 plus 8.9775 is 18.9625. this column 4 plus 5.625 plus 8.4375 is 18.0625. this is the total cost. We arrived at the total cost. Now how did we do this entire problem? Firstly we calculated wages under both the system. After we calculated wages, we just used the necessary information. Now see, the necessary information, while you're asking to be calculated for wages and everything as such, you will not include your material, your overhead and all of that. No, this is only used while calculating your total cost. Now in total cost also you will have to see, if you are asked to calculate like for example, it was told 150% on your wages and all of that, right? So you will have to check carefully like how you used to calculate in your cost sheet. Based on that, you will have to check your necessary information. Now similarly, you have your illustration 6 also. That is, similarly you have your illustration 6 wherein it is telling, again calculate under both the methods. Okay, again you are calculating your wages under both the methods, and you are also calculating your total cost. Now total cost, see, again you will have necessary information like material cost, your wages, you will calculate your prime cost. Now why are you adding your factory? Because to calculate your factory cost, let's look into the question. Shri Chandru finishes a work in 480 hours as against 600 hours allowed. His hourly rate is rupees 5. He gets a durance allowance of rupees 16 per day for 8 hours in addition to wages. Calculate his total income under Hasley, that is 50 to 50%, and Roman incentive plan. Okay, you have to calculate wages under both the methods. Now if the material cost of rupees 5,000 and factory cost is recovered at 50% of wages, find out the factory cost. Only because it is telling you to find out the factory cost, you are first calculating your prime cost and then adding your factory amount, and then based on that you are adding 550% on direct, that is factory cost, that is under both the methods. Now how will you find out your factory cost? Your factory cost will always, if no information is given, like how we used to calculate earlier in your cost sheet, it will be 50% on direct wages. Now direct wages, that is 3,660 into 50% for the first one. Okay, and also 3,840 for the second one, wherein 50%. Here only the ratio is given for how you need to calculate for factory cost. 50:50 ratio, that is under on your direct wages. Similarly, you will find your factory cost in the same method. You will have to calculate the only difference here is earlier we only calculated the total cost, but here you are calculating your prime cost and then your factory cost, because the information regarding factory is also given to you, just like how you used to calculate under cost sheet. By now you are very well versed with how you calculate your cost sheet, so no need to repeat it again. Next is, again you have your various information which is given under Hasley method and Romance method, similar to the problem we solved earlier. See, again you have under Hasley plan and under Roman plan the same wages formula. Okay, again you have the illustration 8. I would want you all to work it. Now the last problem, I will work it all for you, because it is again time rate system, Hasley and Roman. The only difference is your wage Roman and your Hasley will remain the same, because you are asking to calculate the same wages. Now only under your time rate system, the only difference is your wages formula will differ, that is TT into TR. This is the most simplest method for time rate. That is how we calculated earlier, wherein the necessary information will be given. Now for both the things, that now you have to calculate for A and B. For A, it will be TT into TR. TT, what is the TT which is given? Time taken, and time what is the TT and the TR, right? So what is the time taken? Time taken for A is 9, and the TR is, time rate is 1 per hour. So 9 into 1 will give you 9. Then again similarly, what is the information which is given? It is TT into TR, that is 8 into 1 per hour. Then again similarly you will have to calculate your Hasley plan and your Roman plan by substituting the same formula that is under your wages. Okay, once you are going on working out thoroughly, you will be well versed with how you need to work out. The only thing you need to keep in mind is your formulas. Now what are the percentages that are coming in your formula, whether it is 30%, whether it is what you need to calculate exactly, and do not get confused between Roman and your Hasley method, because it is just the one and the same. So continuously write and practice the formulas in order to avoid confusion. Then again, when you are asking to calculate the cost, know if there is any extra information, whether it is just you have to calculate your total cost, or whether you have given any information regarding factory, and whether you have to first calculate your factory cost and a prime cost and then factory cost. All of this, look into the question carefully, mark the important points, and after that start working with your solutions. Now next we will be starting with piece rate system.